Chinese New Year is the most enjoyable time of the year for me, as I get to cook with my mom in the kitchen and whip up lots of delicious dishes. Hi everyone, my name is Pauline. Today I'm going to share with you my family's favorite Chinese New Year dish, salted egg yolk prawns. It is a must-have on the reunion table and my son loves it. During Chinese New Year, all my relatives will come back to Singapore and get together. I'm glad to see all of them happy and healthy, and this is also when we chat a lot just to catch up what's going on for the past 1 year. Make a small slit at the top to devein the prawn. Before deep frying the prawn, wrap it up with a towel and put it in the chiller for 20 minutes to dry out the water. Marinate the prawns with some salt, sesame oil, and a dash of pepper. Now it's time to coat the prawn for a crispy texture. Add in egg white and give it a good mix and coat the prawn with cornstarch. I always prefer oil that has no cholesterol and free of trans fat. Nice groundnut oil is my preferred choice as it is suitable for deep frying and it enhances the taste and aroma of my dish. Heat up the oil to 185 degrees, add in 3 prawns at a time and fry for about 2 minutes. This double frying method makes the prawn extra crispy. You will definitely love it. Alright, here's the final step to this dish. I will stir fry all the spices till it's fragrant. Add in smashed egg yolk and water and stir fry it till it's creamy and bubbly. Lastly, add in the prawns and give it a good toss. And here's my creation, salted egg yolk prawns. The salted egg yolk makes this dish looks like an abundance of gold on a plate. Bring lots of gold to the table this Chinese New Year. Here's wishing everyone 新年快乐，金玉满堂，天天哈哈大笑，换啊！